He's got the plate back off again about 6-7 weeks later to check. I'm going to do contact adjustments today, and it looks pretty good. They're all not black. So according to the specs, the gap between this nut and this support needs to be no less than 4 millimeters, and this is about 2 millimeters. And there is one on the rear one, which is hard to see. And the same applies on this particular one here. This is a red face. This is the yellow face. So this little gap needs to be no less than 4 mil. So we're gonna pack it up with some shims. This is the blue face. There's also about 2 millimeter gap. See how it's gonna improve.
Yeah.
5 mil. Historical diagrams. Now I'll get the paperwork. Good one, Al. Here that just says it should not be allowed to be less than 1 millimeter. These historical books are so important. Full of tap changes. Ducting the contact resistance. No, didn't it? Click. Oh, 9.8 milli. It gets worse. 7.9.
7.9.
That's high. We found there's a broken spring here too. It's not really relevant to the contacts, but one of the senior members now, there's a spring here which controls this particular latch. So we need to replace that too, but at the moment we're dealing with the contacts. So the other piece of the spring sits here. Put some scar marks on the contacts before we take them apart. There are 2 broken springs from the top assembly with that latching device. The C-washer was taken out from the outside here and put on the inside. Quite the scribe lines, and the gap is 2.5 mil, maybe 3 mil. Doesn't matter. Trying to prise the C-washer out from the outside. There we go. Let's show the C-washer. Yeah, you got the movement there, so the C-washer is there. Yep. That goes now on the inside. Get my hands a bit better. That's right. Gone in alright?
It looks like it's rotating.
It's not like taking the outer 2 screws off, loosen the wire terminal. Now we do the inner 2
Which washer
nuts.
did you take? The first one or the last one?
Yeah,
the thicker one.
The last one.
The thick
right.
one.
The clip. The other one doesn't have a.
Yeah, one got the C slot, the other one is a ground washer.
Yeah, it's the one right in the closest to the contact.
They come out?
Yep.
Show the washer, I'll just have it close. You put it on the thing, and then I
That's
can
the C?
Yeah, that's good, thank you. That's the C washer. So that came away from the outside, and we're going to put it now on the inside.
As well.
But my eyes are that bad.
Hard to see, but the washer is going on the inside, the C washer, and ensure that the opening is at the bottom so it stays in position.
Yeah, the scribe line still good?
Yeah, no, it's still good.
Yep.
Right there. 1000 micro.
Well, 1150. Yeah. 2.4. That's a higher one. That phase with gaps there. 2.5, 3 mil.
Because 110 plus.
Yellow face.
But they say the average distance in the vehicle is something like about 33 a year. I've already done.
Blue face.
Coming up to like 30 years. No, it's 4 years now. It used to be 3 years. With the oil stuff, you want
Buffering looks pretty good.